In pharmaceutical manufacturing, sterility isn't just a requirement, it's the foundation of patient safety. There's absolutely no room for error. Any contamination could lead to serious consequences, which is why every part of the sterilization process must be flawlessly controlled. A critical step in this process is the filter integrity test, and PUPSIT, an acronym for Pre-Use Post-Sterilization Integrity Test. This test ensures that sterility is verified before and after use, leaving nothing to chance. Today, we will explore the advancements of MedIntegrity in filter integrity testing technology, which aims to boost performance and reliability of filter integrity testing in aseptic processes. Let's take a look at the unique features of our new product, the Filter Integrity Tester V10. Below, we will introduce the key features of the V10, as well as its unique advantages in data integrity and compliance with EU GMP Annex 11 computerized system validation. First, we can see the product features an extremely intuitive and simple user interface, featuring a 15.6-inch color capacitive touchscreen. We're able to display content in large, vivid visuals that stay clearly in view. No need to cycle through countless pages or tabs. Everything you want to see is instantly accessible. Take a look at the interface on the left side of the device. Here you'll find the buffer tank port, air inlet, air outlet, and exhaust port. The exhaust port can be connected to an external vent line or to a fume hood as needed. The air outlet is used to connect to the filter under test, while the air inlet connects to a regulated stable air source. At the rear of the device, you'll find multiple USB ports, allowing you to easily connect a keyboard, barcode scanner, and various other peripherals. An Ethernet port is also available, making peripheral connection incredibly convenient. Thanks to the Linux-based operating system, system-level IT configurations are also straightforward and easy to manage.